that is called harvesting process. To cut the stem portion and separate the upper shoot part from the root part of the plant. That process is called harvesting. Let me show you some pictures of harvesting. Here. This man is cutting the crops. These standing plants have seeds inside them, and we have to get these seeds. Let me make it more bigger. Here. These plants are standing here, और इनके ऊपर क्या है? अनाज के दाने जो हमें चाहिए. So for that we have to cut these plants. We have to separate this upper portion from the root portion. Okay? और उसके लिए हम लोग कटिंग प्रोसेस करते हैं, हार्वेस्टिंग प्रोसेस मैनुअली. दीज आर डूइंग द हार्वेस्टिंग मैनुअली. वो एक इंस्ट्रूमेंट लेके, दैट इज कॉल्ड सिकल, वो लेके ऊपर वाला जो शूट पार्ट है उसको सेपरेट करें. ये जो नीचे हमारे रूट बच गए ना, इनमें से. क्लियर? एंड द इंस्ट्रूमेंट, आई शो यू द इंस्ट्रूमेंट. दिस इज द इंस्ट्रूमेंट बेटा. ये है एक दराती, दैट इज कॉल्ड सिकल. व्हाट इज इट? This sickle is used to cut the crops, and for harvesting process these instruments are used during manual harvesting. Now harvesting can be done by using machines also. Combine, you heard about combine na? This is our harvester combine. So this combine is using this machine. This part is used to cut the crops. Look here. From here the upper portion is cut down and the roots are left behind. So machines are also used for harvesting process. Okay, that is called mechanized farming, जहाँ पे हम machines का use करते हैं for doing the agricultural processes. Now after that, after harvesting, the next step comes is our threshing process. What is the next step? Threshing process. And what happened in threshing process beta? Crops तो cut form में हमें मिल गई, and we are having that stem part and upper shoot part ना. Now we have to separate the grains from that shoot part. By this threshing process we can do it. जो हमारे पास अनाज होता है, the seeds, for example this is a plant. And it is having a upper bundle in which seeds are enclosed. तो ये जो outer covering है, which is covering up the seeds, what is this outer covering called? This is called husk. Okay, so seeds are enclosed into the husk. So how we can take them out? By putting them on a hard surface with pressure ना, जैसे ये लोग यहाँ पे कर रहे हैं. These ladies are doing here. They are having a tanky like structure downside. ये जो hard structure है, इसके ऊपर जोर जोर से ऐसे पटक के क्या कर रहे हैं, इनमें से seeds को separate out कर रहे हैं, ये upper harvested part में से. Okay, and by that pressure the seeds come out of the husk, come out of this outer covering. अब seeds के साथ साथ यहाँ पे हमारे पास क्या भी आता है, husk भी आता है. husk जो broken pieces है, and sometimes we get small pieces of leaves and this stem part also. Now these broken parts of husk and stem are called chaff. What are these called? Chaff. So chaff plus grains are the product that we get after threshing. थ्रेशिंग के पास बाद हमारे पास क्या बच जाता है? ग्रेन्स, जो अनाज हमें चाहिए था वो, प्लस सम इम्प्योरिटीज विच आर द स्मॉल पीसेस और पार्ट्स ऑफ लीव्स और स्टेम और दिस हस्क आल्सो. सो chaff and grain mixture we get after threshing process. Clear? Now third step. Now there will be our third step, winnowing. What happens in third step beta? Winnowing.